Assalamu alaikum dear students, once again welcome back to Qura Education System e-learnings. It's your English lecture and I am your English teacher. But before discussing that, we have to know what is a subject. Subject, basically who or what performed an action is called a subject. In easy words, we can say that doers of actions are called subject. And what is a verb? Verb, action words. Everything you do is an action, so it's a verb. Plurals in English grammar. Why I am discussing plurals in English grammar, you will come to know when we will move forward in our video. To make a noun plural, we add s. To make a noun plural, when we are talking about a noun and we make it plural, we add s. For example, sister will become sisters, brother will become brothers, donkeys, keys, etc. So here singular girl and plural girls. To make a verb plural, when we are talking about a verb, we take away the s. What we takes away? S. What we take away? S. To make a verb plural, we take away s, but to make a noun plural, we add s. For example, he talks when we are talking about a singular person, but when we are talking about plurals, we say they talk. We remove s from the verb. Remember, there are irregular verbs. Few irregular verbs which will be also included in subject verb agreement. So singular and plural forms will be different for them. For example, he does, plural, they do, she has, it has s at the end, they have, it doesn't have s, he is, she was, they are, they were. There is no s in are and were. Okay, now you can see s in singular forms in your verb. You can see s in your singular forms in verbs, but in plural you don't have s in your singular form. Tip for subject verb agreement. What is the tip for subject verb agreement? It is compulsory to know generally if the subject doesn't end in s. If subject doesn't end with s, the verb will. If the subject does end in s, the verb won't. Obviously, I have already. This is the tip. Watch the verb ending in this video. Singular, I walk. You walk. He, she, it walks. I walk. You walk. He, she, it walks. Joe walks. And the girl walks. You can see for singular in the verb comes s, but in plurals s doesn't come. Okay, here are more plurals. I and you, sometimes it considers singular and sometimes it consider plurals. We walk, you walk. You can see you in both singulars and plurals. That's why I said that. They walk. Joe and Maria walk. Girls walk. You can see the difference in these two singulars and plurals. The girl reads. Girl, singular, noun, and verb is ends with s. As you can see, girl, singular, no subject, no s on subject, no s on subject, but we have s on verb, s on verb. So this is subject agreement. The girls read. The girls read. Girls plural. Its verb read. It doesn't have any s. S on subject, as I already explained, and there is no s on the verb. Now move. Multiple objects joined by an. Multiple objects joined by an. If there are two or more subjects joined by an, the subject must be plural, so the verb will not get an s. Okay, how you will understand that? Here are few examples. The boy and girl read. The boy and the girl, there are two, so read doesn't have any s. Okay, they read, it will become they read. No s on the verb, cause it will become they read. The boy and girl read. Multiple subject joined by or. Multiple subjects joined by or. If there are two or more subjects joined by or, the verb agrees with the part of the subject closest to it. How I am going to explain it? I'm going to explain it with the examples. The professor or. There are two subjects, professor, students. The professor or the students walk the halls. Now we have students over here, which is plural. So that's why walk will come. Students subject have s, so verb doesn't have s. Okay. And now look at over here. The students or the professor walks the halls. Students plural, but professor is singular and it is closest to the verb, so we used s in the verb. Obviously it is clear for you. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, for them some indefinite pronouns are always singular. Here are some example: anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody. They will be considered as singular. Others can either be singular or plural, all and some. For example, everybody loves grammar. Everybody considered singular, subject is singular, so verb has s over here. Some people love grammar. Some, it considers plural also, so we used over here love with no s. Okay. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns, r- who, which, that, can be either singular or plural depending on the word they refer to. The student is singular, so verb will have s. The student who works hard will succeed. The student's subject is plural, so verb will have no s. The students who work hard will succeed. Here are a few more helpful hints for you. Sometimes several words come between the subject and the verb. Just take out the phrase in the middle to see whether or not the subject or verb agree. The student, though she had lots of problems in other school, find her new class easy. Now look at this. The student, schools, what comes to your mind? It will, you have to erase though she had lots of problems in other schools. Though she had lots of problems in other schools, these are different words which comes to between subject and the verb. So just thought that it is erased and just find out that subject and verb, for it will be easy for you to understand that. The student finds her new class easy. Now propositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. The subject can never be a part of prepositional phrase. What does that mean? It means the student in my class studies hard. Studies hard. So now the students and study. In my class, these are prepositional phrase. This is prepositional phrase. So it can never be a part of subject. The students is the subject and study is the verb. This is prepositional phrase. Students plural, study will be singular, or studies will come, study will come. So studies will be cut. What will be the correct subject and verb? Students and study. In the sentences below, do the subject and verb agrees? You have to give me the answer on our channel by giving me comments or posting me or mailing me, whatever way you like, to give me the answer of this exercise. They goes to the gym after the class to work out. They goes, they and goes, they plural, goes will come. Harry and his friends wants to see the new movie coming out this weekend. I'll be waiting. The cat who is mewing at the door wants in. Neither the cat nor the dogs like the new food. The mayor as well as his brothers are going to jail. Nobody wants to dance. The paper or the ruler in the desk. So this is end of our lecture. If you have any question regarding to the topic, you can contact me on the given information. I have shared a phone number, website, it's our YouTube channel. Go like and subscribe. It's our FB page. Go and subscribe. Like also, I will be waiting for your feedback. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you once again.